Oh, hey guys. In this video, we have something very special. It involves mints. It takes two ingredients, Mentos and this beverage here. If you don't know what's about to happen, we are about to find out together. All right, let's get started. The sound of refreshments. When refreshments meet fresh mints. That was just a little science joke. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 in a 2-liter Coke. All right, we're gonna drop these mints in here. We're gonna slightly tie it up, and then we're gonna run for the moon. Or should I say the hills? All right. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! No, no, we're not done. No! Guys, I wasn't successful again, but at least I won't be thirsty. I'll see you on the next one. Man, I'm a bad scientist. Ah.